want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. Check. I want the check. I want the check.
Guys, it's all about tonality, all right? Now, the reason I'm saying that is because if I wanted to do something in some kind of way, I want to make sure that my voice isn't sounding like... That's tonality, okay? So tonality is all about switching up your personality. This is me speaking in my motivational speaker voice. You want to make sure that you're a freaking chameleon on the phone, all right? Now, tonality is very important when I'm building rapport with these sellers and I'm trying to get to, from A to B, A being like I just answered the phone, I don't know you, you don't know me, to B, we're about to meet and sign a contract, right? The first thing that you guys want to take into account is understanding your tone of voice. Because if I answer the phone and the seller's calling me, right? And I'm like, hi, this is Quentin, yeah, I've been wanting to buy your house. We'll give you a cash offer on it. Yeah, we'll do this and we'll do that. I'm gonna get hung up on because I'm not even trying at that point, okay? Tonality is a lot of different things, guys. Here's some tips for you to strengthen your tonality. Stand up when you're making your calls. You have more energy and more posture that you're going to project when you choose to stand up. Use hand movements when you're talking. I would recommend everybody that's watching this to go forward and get yourself a Bluetooth headset because you're gonna have to free up your hands, okay? That way you're not dialing, you're not putting the phone to your ear, you're not hanging it off to your shoulder, and you're actually speaking what you truly believe in and your service into the person that you're speaking to, okay? Remember guys, tonality is literally everything. I'm not gonna talk to somebody who obviously sounds like Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh who doesn't know what the hell he's talking about, okay? So always remember this. Your tonality is going to be one of the key factors in you closing your deal. You have to make sure that you understand what you're saying, speak it with confidence, and remember this, your sellers cannot hurt you. It's gonna take a couple of tries to get this thing going, all right? But don't let idiots ruin your day. Get better and critique your skills. Tonality 101.
I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check.